It's your main man Ty, back on the action, back on the effect, back on the scene with something new, something mean. Okay, this is called the U-FREE, okay? U-FREE, let me bring it close to you. The U-FREE, U-1376. U-1376 by the company called U-FREE. This bad boy, I've tried U-FREE products before, I'm letting you know right now, and I was not impressed. I'm letting you know now. It was whack, and I didn't like it. But this one, now this one's on a different level. Okay, I tried the U-FREE. These are called the 3Ds, the U-1376s. I tried them out, and I'm utterly impressed because this is very nice, and it's one of the sexiest. I'm telling you right now, one of the sexiest shavers out. One of the sexiest electric shavers on the market today. If I was you, I'd take a shot at it. I'll go get it because trust me, it will definitely hit it. Now, I'm gonna open it up right here, right now. This bad boy, look at this pretty thing. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. And underneath this bad boy, look at the gold trimming on the side. Okay, let's spin it. The back with the gold line in the back and the whole knot, okay? On the side, the switches and stuff, the buttons and stuff on the side, right? And on the front, look close at this bad boy. If this ain't the sexiest one, my goodness. If you see it in person, trust me, it's gonna blow your mind. It looks like something that's like will cost $1,000 freaking dollars, man. It's insane. But it is a really good shaver. Now, I'm gonna pull this off, okay? Take it off right here. This one runs about 9,000 RPMs, okay? Letting you know right now, 9,000 RPMs. This bad boy is insane. You look close to this, now just right here, what you do is you press this button right here and hold it. And there it goes. It's on. Okay? This bad boy can go. Trust me, them double blades right there can do it. Understand? Nice blades. Just all around gorgeous shaver. To clean up the hair at the end of your cuts. Clean it up. Clean it down to the grain where there's nothing left, it's total skin. It's nice and bald. This bad boy is gorgeous. It's incredible. It's called the U-FREE. U-1376. You gotta get this bad boy. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is the first time ever on YouTube. First time anyone did a demonstration with it. Not a demonstration, but an actual breakdown, an unboxing of this bad boy. The first time you've seen it first at Ty Star Barber World. This bad boy is incredible. You see it down a little bit. I've been testing it out, checking it out, using it. I had to see what it's all about. It's the real deal. It does very nice. Very nice. And hold it down, and it's off. There you go. And then you just pop the top back on, and there you go. And you're ready to go. It's compact enough you can take it with you in your pocket, take it with you wherever you want to roll, cutting somebody's hair, whatever. If you want to roll, period, you need something to shave. Understand? But trust me, this is generally for doing that during the hair, to clean up on the hair. After you done cut it, then you trimmed it, and it's nice and clean, then you really want to take it down to the skin. Make it that flawless cut for that fade. The ultimate fade touch. Okay, trust me. Get this bad boy. Put this in your repertoire, whatever, and do your thing. Do your thing. It must be in there. This was a hot joint. Trust me, it'll make you come up. If you're afraid your clients see it, they'll think, oh, she's coming out with the guns. Trust me, you really are. It's a good investment. It's not even expensive. Trust me, go get this bad boy right now. It's called the U-FREE, U-1376. It's a hot joint. Trust me, get it today. You heard it first, right now, at Ty Star Barber World. Yo, I forgot one thing. I didn't go inside yet. I didn't show you nothing. Comes with the instructions. Comes with a little velvet bag to carry it in. Come with your USB charger, a brush, and these things right here, which you attach to a cape. It comes with a big, large cape comes with it. Matter of fact, I have it right here. Right here is a cape, it expands all the way up, and this part sticks to the wall or a mirror, and it's awesome. Understand? Trust me, you're getting your money's worth and then some. This is your man Ty from Ty Star Barber World. Yo, you do your thing, and like I say always, yo, peace. This is a Ty Star key point. The reason why I picked this as one of my hot joints is because it's extremely powerful and it's very compact, which gives it a great advantage because it's easy to get around people's heads, especially their ears, when you're fading, when you're removing anything remaining behind the ears, around the ears, the bottom part of the neck, and all the different areas where the big shavers have problems getting around there. Understand? It's too bulky. With this, it adds an extra dimension and much more easy to get around and makes your cut look even better. Your shave it even better. Makes it balls out very, very clean. Okay, you won't miss anything with this bad boy. Trust me, that's one up from your main man Ty. Yo, peace.